Happy pre-Vlogmas day number 2. As you can tell, there is a squirrel on my front porch. These two crack me up so bad. So, now that there's sunlight, you can see what I have left box-wise from yesterday. There's still, we just knocked stuff over yesterday. The tree is done. I need to put the skirt underneath it, but that's as good as it's getting this year. I did about half the ornaments as I did last year on the tree in my living room. That boot is driving me nuts. I got our stockings out. I haven't decorated the mantle up here yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. And our stocking clips don't fit on the mantle. So I've got to figure out where I'm going to hang the stockings this year. And I've got to figure out where to put my blanket rack. There's my cacti from Cheryl. I still need to take that downstairs and figure out where I'm going to put that. So these need to go downstairs. This is stuff to go downstairs. I knit this right after I learned how to knit. And you can tell, like, I messed up my Kitchener stitch. I did it. I think I may have actually done a 3-needle bind off because I was still afraid of doing Kitchener. But it's not lined, so you can't actually put stuff in it. So I'm just going to hang it downstairs. A couple of you guys asked me about this blanket. So this was a free red heart pattern. I'm not sure if Your Inspiration has put it up on their site or not, but it is a gingerbread blanket. Troy's getting ready to do dishes because when he's home, he does dishes in the morning. This is going to go to the craft room because it matches my craft room. Some of the vintage ornaments will go in there as well. But yeah, we got a lot done yesterday. Tomorrow's the last day I'm decorating the house because I need to get on with the cards, getting those finished up. But this is where we are upstairs. Let's slip downstairs and see what I'm starting with down here. It's almost like a video tour of the house. You can tell it wasn't planned. All right, so I did bring down the Santa Claus, and I do have my Jeffrey the Eggnog up there. I've got to figure out where I put Holly the Hot Chocolate from Wendy in my wacky Halloween housewarming box for my friends. I think she's sitting in the craft room in my box, but I got to go find her so they can hang out together up here. His cinnamon stick got smushed. We did do some gift wrapping. I've got all my grandkids' gifts wrapped. They're ready to go under the tree. I got my ornament tree out over here. I do need to go through my wreaths and get wreaths hung around the house. Ooh, well, we'll ignore y'all saw that. Yeah, I gotta get my pumpkins put up, but so we'll start in here today and make it at least kind of look a little festive. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. So I pretty much just wanted to check in with you guys and show off how adorable my kitten cats are, because come on. And Curzon is all curled up beautifully down here. Look at their face. Look at my Curzon. They've been following me around room to room as I've been putting things up down here. I got that decorated. Yeah, I'm still listening to ghost stories. I'm working on the mantle. I had to wind off some scrap yarn there. But I got my Reproduction Shiny Brights out. And I got this little cluster done over here on the counter. But yeah, they're following me around. I'm pulling together some packages. I have about 10 packages I need to get sent out this week. So now they're all tuckered out from following me around. And being just as cute as they can be. Pippin lost his collar sometime last night, so I'm trying to, as I'm picking up and cleaning, trying to find his little collar. They get new ones for Christmas. His is getting kind of ratty. Yes, my little Christmas kitten. Yes. And Curzon's just always so dignified looking. Anyways, I'll keep checking in with you guys today. Hey guys, so I didn't get done decorating downstairs today, but I did get a little decorating in the craft room done. I got a little tree, and I flicked out my picture over here. I did get some cleaning and organization done. I had to move a bunch of stuff into the craft room the other day, so got that fixed. I have my scrap bins set up. I had to buy a new label maker because I couldn't find my old one, but I did get those fixed. Guess you can tell how much more worsted weight yarns I use for the most part. But I got everything organized in there. Let's see. Turn out lights as I go through the house. I got my vintage tree up, and I put the little birds and the little flowers on it. I didn't finish decorating the mantles either. I think Troy's already asleep on the sofa, so I'm not going to show y'all upstairs. I had to wind off some yarn, so I brought my Swift in here. Yeah, so I got a little bit done. Tomorrow morning I'll do the drawing for the giveaway, and that's what that box is. But otherwise, yeah, I got little door things. I hope you guys have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow for the official start of Vlogmas. Night, you guys.